Hi there, welcome to another video from Brickright. Today we're going to be doing Towngate, which is a Marshall's Indian sandstone product. And without further ado, let's dive straight into the video. So we've got a patio now, all the way around the side of there. All this, couple of manholes, there's 3 manholes to do, and we're doing down the side. And we've got to do these steps. A couple of tips for you then. So before you start laying your slab, first of all, it's freezing cold, so make sure the temperature's right. So this line here, so we've squared a measurement off there. I don't know what it was, say it was 610 off here. We've gone 610 up there, so that line is square now off this part of the house. What we've done now is we measured from here to here and here to here, and we found there's 35 millimeters out the square. So we've set up our bond to coincide with that, so it'll run straight square off this part of the house, not this part of the house, this being the longest line, so you'll see the cut less in there. Second to that, what we've done is we've set this line up here, this one there, for our falls, and also square off this. Now this is not square to that, so we've got a load of issues even before we start. And then it's key that we finish 2 courses of bricks lower than that step there, which coincides with 2 courses of bricks all the way up there. So you've got to try and paint a picture and set it all out before you start lumping slabs down. So now that's in, what are we going to do now, Frey? Crack on. Right, we got the first and second rows set up now. So that's the first row in. It's taken a while just to get all the squares and all the falls and everything all correct. Bloody hell, Frey, what are you trying to create in there, mate?
Thought I'd build myself an igloo.
All that top layer there is absolutely frozen solid, so he's at the burrow in there to get some thawed out sand. So there we are. That's where we got up to. I had to rebuild, or say I had to extend underneath that with brickwork because the manhole was a bit low. So that's done. All the lines are coming through nice, neat and tidy. Pattern's going well, customers happy. Announcement for you: Jay has broken his arm, slipped on black ice. So really unfortunate, because he was doing really well, was Jay. So he's going to be off now for six to 8 weeks with a broken arm, and we're on a little bit of a shutdown. I'm going to take Lucy away to Lanzarote just to have a little bit of time out for her birthday, which I've never ever done before this time of year. So I'm going to go there. And if you're really interested, I'll take a couple of videos out there and add them to this video. So if you're not interested in the Lanzarote bit, just skip through and you can get back on track to more laying of this. So see you soon. Welcome to Lanzarote. This is Playa Blanca. This is a villa we're staying in. So I'll just show you around really quickly. I'm not going to go inside. Obviously that's the pool. This patio. Can't get away from this patio. Porcelain paving, and as you can see, they got like a staggered joint, quarter bond, and then they miss one, and then they go quarter bond again. So you get like that random staggered joint, which I've never done, which looks really nice. So other things to notice: have a look at that dry stoling black volcanic rock wall. I've seen the boys doing it around the corner. I was itching to stop and have a go, to be honest, but obviously I'm on holiday, so got to put the trowel down at some point. And then they got a lovely little barbecue over here. I haven't tried the table tennis out yet. Lovely little barbecue, yeah, look. That's that bad boy. So that's really nice. So yeah, nice palm trees. hopefully we can enjoy a week of relaxation. Let's wait and see. Well, we're here. This is Lanzarote. You can see the road. This is absolutely bonkers. We've got to be careful because I'm driving the bloody car. You've got all that lovely view. So we're going down to this place. What's the beach called, Luce? Papa something, innit? Windy here. Playa de Papagayo or something, that's what this is called. Just 3 beaches all across it, all really nice clear water, all the mountains in the backdrop. It's about 18 degrees and I think it's like the 27th of January. Another little beach in the series here. And then if you want to drink, right, they said the wind in Lanzarote would be strong, but bloody hell, that's the beach. Yeah, we've come inside because it's pouring away rain outside, believe it or not. This is Playa Dorada, man-made beach. You can see Fuerteventura in the distance. It's cloudy, and it's been cloudy since we got here, and it's been windy, and the wind's gone, and it's quite pleasant. And it's the first day we've had a pleasant day, so hopefully we have a little bit more. We're going to go for some lunch and yeah, have a little walk around. It's our last day today, so we're in the pool at last. The weather has been absolutely atrocious for Lanzarote. Yeah, we've never been here before, but this is the first day we managed to have a clear sunny day. We're like 20 degrees and managed to use the pool, but it's been good, it's been great. So next time you'll see us, we'll be back on the patio, back on the flooded masterpiece. So see you then. Cheers. We are then back from Lanzarote, although you wouldn't think it, would you? Because the weather here is the weather that should have been in Lanzarote. Lanzarote was great. The weather wasn't very good out there, to be honest with you, but it was a nice break. But anyway, we're back. So this is where we are. We haven't got any footage for the last couple of days because Jay's off with a broken arm, and we've been training my other son up, Dayton, which he's doing very well, which is good. So there we are. This is where we're at. We got this coming around here now, so we got all that to fill in. We can do a curve around there and then match up a curve around here, and then we've got all this done. All the manholes are in, all the cuts are in, eco drains are in. We're laying to the pattern, and this is what Marshall supply. So this is on the packs, and we're laying this pattern here. We've had the customer out, so we've got these steps to do now. So what I've done, look, is I've marked each step out. If you can see, I won't show you all of them. So I marked each step out, look, with pencils, and I've had the customer out to say, this is what it's going to look like. This is what we think is going to look the best on it. Do you agree? So it's key that, you know, they can see it before it's even started. So they're happy with it. So you can hear Fraser on the Ruby in the background. He's cutting. Right, Scott came, Tidy Bricks, to give us this. Another section cut from Tyler's Tools. Trouble was, he came here, and like Scott would say, there was too much blah 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 going on for you, wasn't there? Yeah. And all we've done is 2 o'clock, and all we've done is this. So what do you reckon, Frey?
You guys get laying in it.
Scott, Tidy Bricks. Only joking, Scott. Thanks, mate. Just having a bit of fun. Really nice to see you. Thanks for the old section cut. Much appreciated. And good luck with everything you do, pal. Right, we had a late start on this because of our blah 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 this morning, but it's done, so I'm a happy camper, but I'm absolutely knackered.
Happy days.
Okay, so the patio, main set of the patio is done. All the manholes are in, all the cuts are in. We got a little bit of faffing about to do, go back and tidy a few things up. Some cutting to do round behind here. We got the side path to do now. So again, what I've done is I've marked everything out with the blue spray. Got the client out and said that's what it's going to look like. Are you happy? Yes, they've said crack on. So we're going to get on with it. As if by magic, that's all done through there. Thought I'd show you this. This area here where we've taken up these slabs, we've been barrowing up and down, in and out of here. In hindsight, we should have put boards down, but we bloody didn't. We put the barrows through, and I think where the barrows have been coming back and forth, we've been continuously walking on an unjointed patio, and it's still quite wet. A couple of the slabs have popped, but as much as it's doing our heads in to do it, I thought I'd show you, because you can see the thickness of mortar we've put there is a good 40 mil, which is adequate, which is what you're looking for. And you can see there's no voids in it. It's a full bed all the way around, and you can see that the actual slurry are stuck to the back of the slabs as well. So that's what you want. Look, you can see the thickness of that. That's just come out of here. So you've got your scalpings underneath, look, which is your base. Then you've got your minimum of your 40mm thick, nice and solid, full bed, 4-in-1 mix. That's absolutely rock solid. We put lines in it to try and make it easier for us to chisel it out, but you know, it's still in the process of setting. But you know that's what you're going to be looking for. If you're a DIYer and you're putting cement down or mortar underneath your patio slabs, then that's what you're looking for. So if you've got that, you're on the right track. So yeah, that's 3 wheelbarrows have gone off mortar, all disc. We have to disc it all out in all little patches to get it all off. So now we got to put it back together. Whose fault is it? Jay's not here, he's broken his arm, so we always blame the person that's not here. Whose fault is this, doing this, Frey?
Jay's, obviously.
Exactly. Why?
He's not here.
Exactly, because he's not here. There we are. Jay, thank you very much, mate. What a cock up you've made. All that's done, steps are done, everything's done on here. This is the Marshall's Medge. This stuff, look, that's the stuff we're using, and unfortunately that's bloody rock solid, so I've got a nightmare on my hands now trying to get hold of another load of that. Helen, thank you very much, you've done it for us again. We got more bacon and sausage rolls and a cup of tea. What more do you want, Frey?
Well, it's not raining, that'd be nice, wouldn't
Yeah, that would be nice actually, yeah, but apart from the weather, that's bloody brilliant, isn't it? She's been doing this for us once a week since we've been here, so I don't think we'll ever leave, will we?
No.
So got the Medge in now on this section, so you can see what it's like. And then if I spin you around, and we got that in, so that's in the process of being done. You just put it in 45 degrees and you know, brush 45 away from the joint, get it all in, keep your brush on it moving when you've done your squeegee, and then jet wash it all off. So Fraser's just hosing that off now. Problem is, we ordered the products off Marshalls, and they haven't sent us enough Medge Marshalls exterior jointing grout, so we only get up to here. So we got all this on the side and all this on the steps to do as well, and it's in short supply, so we've got a bit of an issue. So thank you ever so much for watching, and If you'd like to subscribe and you support us, that would be absolutely fantastic. On the next one with all the finishing touches, so please tune in then. See you soon. Cheers.